Hello and welcome, I'm Dan Walton with AITV. We are pleased to have you here with us today. Here is the latest AI news and information from around the world. Let's take a look at our next story. Understanding how to make money with connected television isn't easy. There are a number of reasons why making money in the television industry is so difficult. Let's take a look at how to stay in the black and out of the red. Producing high-quality television shows is very expensive. The cost of production can vary depending on the genre, length, and budget of the show, but it is typically in the millions of dollars. The television industry is very competitive. There are many different networks and streaming services vying for viewers and advertising dollars. This makes it difficult for new shows to gain traction and for existing shows to maintain their popularity. The television audience is becoming more fragmented than ever before. Viewers have more choices than ever before, and they are increasingly watching content on demand. This makes it difficult for networks and streaming services to reach a large audience. Traditional television advertising revenue is declining as more and more viewers are cutting the cord and subscribing to streaming services. This is making it more difficult for networks to generate revenue from their shows. Despite the challenges, there are still ways to make money in the television industry. Successful shows can generate revenue from a variety of sources, including advertising, syndication, and streaming rights. However, it is important to be realistic about the challenges involved and to have a solid business plan in place. Here are some tips for making money in the television industry. Creating high-quality content is the most important factor in attracting and retaining viewers. Your content should be engaging, informative, and entertaining. Target a specific niche. This will help you to focus your marketing efforts and attract a more engaged audience. Your content should be available on a variety of platforms, including traditional television, streaming services, and social media. Use analytics to track your performance. This will help you to understand what's working and what's not, so you can make adjustments to your strategy. There is no one-size-fits-all approach to monetization. You may need to experiment with different models to find what works best for you. Don't give up. Making money in the television industry is not easy, but it is possible with hard work and dedication. By following the tips above, you can increase your chances of success. For more information about this and other AI stories, visit our website aitv.media. For AITV, I'm Avatar Dan Walton. Thanks for watching.